So these photos aren't looking great. Nothing personal, it's bad lighting. So the light's coming from above. Anytime the light's coming from above, the eyes are going to be in shadow, they're too dark. And the skin tones don't look great either. So to get a better photo, we need to find better lighting. So we're going to move from out in the full sun into the shade. So if I can ask you guys just to follow me over here. Let's go. Okay, come on over here. Okay, great. All right, so can I get Chris, I'll get you to stand in the middle here.
Naturally.
Okay, and Peter, I'll get you on this side. And Steve, I'll get you over this side. And Yant, I'll get you there. That's it. And Yant, I'll get you just leaning against the wall a little bit. Okay. All right, great. And essentially now what I've done, I've made a triangle. And look at the eyes now. The eyes are really popping because the light's coming into the face. So the skin tones, the eyes, everything looks so much nicer now. So let's try one more photo here with this beautiful garage lighting. Okay, so Chris, can I get you to put your hands in the pockets? That's it. Okay, very great. Yes, excellent, really nice. Let's try that. Okay, so that one's working okay, but if we want to try something a bit more interesting, we can layer them. Stairs are great for that. I don't have any stairs here, but I've got a couple of stools. So let's bring a couple of stools in and see if we can get a more interesting photo.
She had to make that very clear. But I'm married to that one.
I didn't pitch that one, but I'm married to that one.
She's married to the more sensible one.
Okay, so let's try something here. So I'll get Yanti and Steve on the stools there. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's great. Chris, I'll get you in the back, in the middle, and that's it. You can stay on. That's on Peter. Come in on that side. Great. Okay, that's looking good. But I've got to ask everyone to stand up. We've got to move the stools this way slightly. Okay. So just come across. That's it. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, go ahead. Okay, that's great. Let's try a photo there. Okay. And just coming over. That's it. More. That's it. Chris forward. That's it. Okay, great. Looking good, everybody. That's really nice. Okay. Getting people to hold a prop like a folder or laptop can help to mix up the images and get something a bit more dynamic. It also reduces awkwardness and helps people feel more comfortable and natural in front of the camera. All right, so let's go back to those places. Okay, and so have that folder there. So maybe just, yeah, anything, I don't know, whatever's, yeah, that's fine like that. Yep. And Peter, maybe I'll give you the laptop. Yeah, that's it. Okay, good, good. All right, and Chris, up here, you need something to hold, so I'll give you
Cover the belly.
I'll give you that. I'll get it.
I get it.
But not over the belly, maybe on the side or something. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Good, good. Okay, let's try one there. Okay, great. Actually, in fact, I might give that to Steve. I feel like Steve needs something to
Cover Steve's belly.
needs something to hold. Okay. All right. More to the side. We're not advertising anything there, so
I'm always advertised.
just you can cover it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Good, good. All right, that's great. Everyone looking here. Great smiles. Great. Yeah, that's looking really good. Okay. Let's try one from above. That's great. Yep, looking really good. Big smiles. Excellent. Okay, great. To get real smiles and great moments, you can get some banter going with any big personalities in the group. There's usually someone you can bounce jokes off or who gets people laughing. Another way to help the team relax and capture some authentic moments is to get them walking to the camera. Don't limit your team photos to just standing or sitting shots. It's quite a confined spot that I'm taking this team photo, but we can still get a walking shot. Here we go, go. That's it, that's it. Great, great, great. Great. All right, very good. I like the emotion, Peter. That's good. A bit of a penguin stance, but that's all right. Wait. Chris just bowling. Some prep before the shoot will save a lot of headaches. Schedule the photo shoot well in advance to ensure all team members are available and make sure you clearly communicate what's required. Send them an email with the following: date, time and location of the shoot, clothing guidelines. It's really important to have consistency among the team. You don't want half the team in suits and ties and the other half in smart casual. You want the clothing to align with your company's brand and image. This will help make sure the attention is drawn to the faces, not the clothing. Purpose of the photo shoot: it's easier to motivate people and get their support when they understand why you need the photos. Any props or accessories? Request for timely arrival. It can be tricky to get a group of very busy people together, and if one person forgets or is late, it can really impact the shoot. So it's worth reminding everyone to be on time. By following these tips, you can ensure that your team photo is professional, cohesive, and reflective of your company's values and culture.